so in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crochet this pebble stitch. There's one side and then the other side. Both sides are equally beautiful. Look at that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm just using a medium 4-weight yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook, and you can use any size yarn or any size crochet hook you want. If you're new to this and you're not sure of your hook size, I would use the hook size recommended by the yarn that you are using, which will be on your yarn label. Okay, so this is a multiple of 4 plus 2. So I'm going to start off with a chain of 12. So let's go ahead and start with a slip knot. You just wrap the yarn around your finger, pull the yarn up, and take this working yarn and pull it through and make a little loop. Insert your hook in that loop and then take both strands and pull to tighten. And then take your working yarn and have it at the top here. Now we're going to make a chain. So just yarn over and pull through. That's your first chain. You need, in my situation or in this test, I'm going to chain 12. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so it's a multiple of 4 plus 2. So let's add 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so for our first row, we're going to put a single crochet all the way across. So to start, you do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. There's your first chain. Here's your second chain. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You just made a single crochet. Let's make another one. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. You now have 2 single crochets. Let's do it one more time. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 3 single crochets on your hook, on your chain here. So let's go ahead and single crochet all the way across. Now, since I chained 12 and then I added 2, which made a total of 14 chains, I should have 13 single crochets. So if you chained 8 and you added 2, made 10, you should have 9. So it works like that. You should have 1 less than what you chained of your total chain. Okay, so that's my last one. Okay, and that's what your first row looks like. So let's go ahead and chain 1. We're going to turn our work. Now this is going to start our repeat of our pattern, row 2 through 5. So let's single crochet in the first stitch. So this, where these V's are, those are your stitches that you insert your hook. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You just made a single crochet. Now we're going to start our pebble stitch, which is the cluster. So we're going to do this 3 times. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through. That was 2 times. Yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 7 loops on your hook. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now you're going to pull all through 7 loops. So yarn over, go through all 7 loops. Okay, now we're going to single crochet in this next stitch. Now, if you don't want your pebble, this is the back side. If you don't want your pebble as big, you can do your cluster just 2 times instead of 3. So we did a single crochet, and now we're going to do another cluster. You can call it a cluster, a puff, a pebble, whatever you want to call it. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. and do it one more time. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull it through. Okay, so now that you pulled up 3 times, yarn over, pull your hook through all 7 loops just like that, and single crochet in the next stitch. And that is what you're going to repeat all the way across. So let's do another cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and I kind of pull up. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you're going to pull through all 7 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, and then go straight into a single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, I'm going to do this one more time. That's 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Went through all 7, a single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so repeat that all the way across. And like I said, if you want to do this, that was 1 and 2. If you'd rather do it with just 2, that's just fine. Your pebbles are just a little smaller is all. A little flatter, not a big deal. They're just as beautiful. I'm gonna do it one more time. And go through all 7, single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, a cluster in the next stitch. It's 1, 2, and 3, and then pull through all 7 loops, single crochet in this last stitch. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. So that's row 2. Now we're going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across. So I should have 13. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and don't forget that last one. If you need a stitch marker on each end, you can do that. Okay, so we single crocheted all the way across. Now we chain 1, turn our work. Now for this row, for row 4, we're going to single crochet in the first 2 stitches. There's 1 and 2. Now we're going to make our cluster. So do this 3 times. There's 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. And now all the way, you're going to put 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then a cluster again. There's 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops, and then a single crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across till you get to your last 2 stitches. When you get to your last 2 stitches, you will do a single crochet in those last 2 stitches. So let's keep repeating this pattern all the way across. And then a single crochet. And then a cluster again. It's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, a cluster in the next stitch. Okay, so there's 2 stitches left. So we're going to put a single crochet in each one of these stitches. Okay, so there's that one. That was row 4. So row 5, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We are going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across. So I should have 13 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1 in that last one. Like I said, if you need a stitch marker on the end to help you know that you got that last stitch. Okay, so that's all there is to it, guys. You just keep repeating rows 2 through 5 for your pattern. And here's just a few more rows of it. This is the repeat. This is 2 through 5 repeated twice. So that's all there is for this stitch. I hope you guys enjoy this. Have fun with it. It will make some beautiful blankets, washcloths, scarves, all kinds of cool stuff. So just remember, repeat rows 2 through 5. All right, guys, that's all that I have. Hope you enjoy. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.